Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Teen Cookbook is probably one of the most helpful resources for teenagers who are eager to learn cooking and want to explore the culinary world. This cookbook provides easy-to-follow recipes, helpful tips, and valuable techniques that will allow teenagers to create delicious and healthy meals with confidence, making cooking a fun and enjoyable experience for them. Number 5. Young Chef's Cookbook. Welcome to the world of cooking. This cookbook is designed to make cooking fun and easy for young chefs like you. Let's get started. Before we start cooking, let's learn some essential kitchen skills and safety tips. It's important to know how to use the tools safely and efficiently. Start your day with delicious and nutritious breakfast recipes. These are quick and easy to make, perfect for busy mornings. Pack a healthy and tasty lunch with these fun and creative recipes. You'll be excited to eat what you've made. Dinner time just got more exciting. These dinner recipes are sure to please everyone at the table. They are also easy to follow. Satisfy your sweet tooth with these amazing snacks and desserts. They are perfect for parties or a simple treat. Let's get baking. This chapter is filled with delicious and easy to follow baking recipes. You'll be amazed at what you can create. We've included some bonus recipes for you to explore and experiment with. Have fun trying new things. Cooking should be fun. Here are some helpful tips and tricks to make your cooking experience even better. Enjoy the process. Congratulations, young chef. You've completed the cookbook. Now go forth and create delicious meals. Happy cooking. What we like. It has a wide variety of recipes, covering many cuisines and cooking styles. If you are looking for a comprehensive cookbook to start your culinary journey, this is the one for you. It's perfect for teens who want to explore diverse flavors and techniques. What people say. Recipe directions are clear. Many good hints. A worthwhile purchase for older kids through teens, and for beginner cooks. Easy, fun recipes. Detail on the process involved. There are pages that teach technique. Photos are excellent. Easy to read. Recipes are simple enough that kids can make corrections if they make a mistake. Great for beginners. Number 4. Baking Book for Young Chefs. Welcome to the world of baking. This book is your guide to creating delicious treats, from sweet cakes to savory pastries. Let's get started. It's filled with over 100 recipes for sweet delights. You'll find everything from classic cookies to innovative cakes. Get ready to satisfy your sweet tooth. But it's not just about sweets. It also includes savory recipes, perfect for expanding your baking horizons. Explore new flavors and techniques. Learn fundamental baking techniques and tips to help you succeed in the kitchen. Master the art of measuring, mixing, and baking like a pro. This book encourages you to share your creations with friends and family. Baking is even more fun when you can enjoy it with others. Happy baking. Each recipe is easy to follow, with clear instructions and beautiful photos. You'll be amazed at what you can create. What we like. This cookbook specializes in baking, with both sweet and savory options. If you have a passion for baking and want to expand your skills, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for teens who love to create delicious treats to share with friends and family. What people say. It's full of colorful photo illustrations and easy-to-understand directions. Seems to be pretty thorough and informative for beginning cooks without talking down to them. Pictures are of real boys and girls making the recipes, not cutesy or childish pictures. Bright colors and good format. The pictures are beautiful and the recipes are clear and directive. Number 3. Teen Cookbook, 100 Easy Recipes. It's time to ditch the takeout menus and discover the joy of cooking. This cookbook makes learning to cook fun and easy. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience, it has something for you. Start with simple recipes and gradually build your skills. It teaches fundamental cooking techniques, from chopping vegetables to mastering different cooking methods. You'll learn essential skills that will last a lifetime. It's packed with delicious and easy-to-follow recipes that are perfect for teens. You'll be surprised at how much you can create. Learn to cook amazing meals that will impress everyone. Get ready to show off your new skills. Grab your copy and get ready to embark on a culinary adventure. Cooking is a rewarding skill. Let's get started. What we like. It focuses on teaching basic cooking skills through simple recipes. If you are a beginner and want to learn the fundamentals of cooking, this cookbook is perfect for you. It's great for teens who want to build a strong foundation in cooking before tackling more complex recipes. What people say. The recipe seems simple for her to execute. Today he made a lunch recipe from the book, penne with bacon and zucchini, and it was excellent. Only 9 ingredients, most of which we already had in the pantry in very basic and easy to follow instructions. By the end of January he had tried 7 or 8 of the recipes on the family and they loved them. They are easy to do and he says they are yummy. Number 2. Baking Cookbook for Teens. Welcome to the Baking Cookbook for Teens. Get ready to explore 75 amazing recipes, perfect for creating both sweet and savory treats. This cookbook is packed with delightful sweet recipes. From classic cakes to innovative cookies, it has something for every sweet tooth. But it's not just about sweets. It also features savory options, allowing you to explore a wider range of baking possibilities. Each recipe is designed with teens in mind, providing clear instructions and simple techniques. You'll be baking like a pro in no time. Beyond the recipes, it includes helpful tips and tricks to elevate your baking skills and troubleshoot common problems. So grab your apron and ingredients, and let's get baking. This cookbook is your guide to creating delicious memories in the kitchen. What we like. It offers a delightful collection of sweet and savory baking recipes. If you enjoy baking and want to try new and exciting treats, this is the cookbook for you. It's perfect for teens who want to impress their friends and family with their baking skills. What people say. Fantastic variety of desserts and levels of preparation. Recipes are easy to follow and nicely explained. The true gift of this book and the others with the same title is there are no shortcuts or hacks. You do not know how many times she's been given cookbooks where the recipe calls for her to buy prepackaged biscuits, or mac and cheese to learn how to make biscuits, donuts, or just mac and cheese add a hot dog. You will not find that in these books. Most recipes call for the user to make everything from scratch. The recipes are tasty, pretty easy to follow, detailed and not having pics. Make it so no one is disappointed it doesn't look like the photo. It has a good assortment of recipes, not just sweets. I appreciate the info in the front explaining cooking basics in simple terms. Number 1. Super Easy Teen Cookbook. Welcome to the Super Easy Teen Cookbook. This cookbook is designed to help teens learn to cook delicious and simple meals. Let's get started. Our first recipe is a classic, simple pasta. It's quick, easy, and customizable to your liking. You'll be amazed at how simple it is to make a delicious meal. Next up, we have one-pan chicken and veggies. This recipe is perfect for a weeknight dinner because it's easy to clean up and requires minimal effort. It's also packed with nutrients. Need a quick breakfast? This cookbook includes several recipes for easy breakfasts that you can make in minutes. Start your day off right with a delicious and nutritious meal. Learn how to make a variety of delicious and healthy salads. These recipes are perfect for a light lunch or a side dish. They are also a great way to get your daily dose of vegetables. It also includes recipes for easy and healthy snacks. These are perfect for when you need a quick pick-me-up between meals. They're also great for sharing with friends. With 75 recipes in total, this cookbook has something for everyone. You'll find a wide variety of recipes to choose from, so you're sure to find something you love. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. This cookbook will help you become a confident and capable cook. Enjoy. What we like. It features simple, step-by-step recipes that are easy to follow. If you are looking for quick and easy recipes, this is the cookbook for you. It's ideal for busy teens who want to cook delicious meals without spending hours in the kitchen. What people say. The recipes are fun and easy to follow and the pictures are a great added touch. This cookbook is great for beginners. Very easy for teens to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.